me skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. I'm finally back with another hair dyeing tutorial. I've definitely slowed down with how much I dye my hair now. So as you can see, today I'm back with this fiery red orange look. It's not really like a true red. It does have some orange and yellow undertones because I did mix a few different shades so that I can get a few different hues, especially when it fades. It's gonna fade to like a yellower orangey type of color rather than this really red color that it's looking like. But yeah, so if you guys are interested, just stay tuned, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. Okay, you guys, so here is the final result. As you see, it's like a very red orangey color. Okay, and then I filled in my brows with a brow pigment that I will be releasing soon, so stay tuned. Okay, but I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I don't usually really talk through my tutorials anymore because I really feel like they're pretty self-explanatory, but if you guys do have any questions, just be sure to comment them below and I'll answer. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now, and also follow me on Instagram at Janai Kirsten. Be sure to check out my other hair dyeing tutorials. I've literally dyed my hair any color you can think of. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.